Good evening, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and our wintry weather wallop has moved on out of the area. You can see we're left pretty much with clouds, and areas to our north and central areas mainly had snow with the wintry mix, and down along the coast pretty much was an all rain event. Now, any residual moisture that we have left over now will remain in an area in which it'll be frozen, and that's going to cause some problems later tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So you have to be careful of the black ice, and you want to at least take heed and maybe plan a little extra time in your trip tomorrow morning, because there will be some slick spots out there. I'll have your complete forecast coming out in about 10 minutes or so as the Delta News at 5 starts now.
News that works for you. This is the Delta News at 5.
Well, Lakia, the snow is out of here. It's just a few little flakes down on the ground, but we have clouds, and those clouds are going to be moving out of here. And you know what that means? Clearing skies, and the temperature's going to drop. I'll have your full forecast after the break. Well, I hope that you got out to enjoy that beautiful snow earlier today, because the weather maker has left the area. We have slowly improving conditions, but anything that's left over now will be frozen, so you want to take it easy. Black ice will be likely tonight and early tomorrow morning, so you want to put a little extra time into your trip tomorrow morning. Here's why: the system has moved out of the area, and again, anything that you see off to the extreme north might be a 1 or 2 flurries or so, but everything heavy related will be out of our area. And as we look at our wider view, again, this is moving off to the east here, and it's going to affect the folks in the mid-Atlantic. But for the most part for us, we still have those clouds around, but eventually later on they'll be moving on out of here as we have another high pressure system to move in and to clear us out, and those temperatures are definitely going to drop. Now, we heard from our weather watchers before the show. All of them called in with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. We're looking at Belzoni at 36, Charleston at 35, and McGee at 37 degrees. We thank you very much, weather watchers, for all your hard work. Now, looking at the current temperatures, Greenwood is at 36 degrees, north wind 7 miles per hour. That dew point 32 degrees, humidity 85%, and it feels like 30 degrees outdoors. Greenville, you're at 37 degrees as well. Dew point 29, humidity 72%, and that wind chill definitely 29 degrees. Our low temperatures tonight definitely is going to be really cold outside, so it's going to be a solid freeze out there. We're looking at Grenada 23 degrees, Carrollton at 22, Indianola 26, and Yazoo City at 25 degrees. Now, as we look at our high temperatures tomorrow, those high temperatures are going to be basically in the upper 30s or so. But before that, here's our explanation on what black ice is. You have to have a road temperature of less than 32 degrees. That's where ice freezes. And it's a very thin layer of ice that accumulates on the pavement. That transparency, we're looking at the ice, is hard to see. So again, that's why we want you to be very, very careful, because you can actually slip and fall. And mainly why we're concerned is the fact that we're going to have clear skies tonight, and that's why. High temperatures tomorrow again will be in the mid 40s, so we'll have plenty of melting to occur. And currently we're in the mid 30s around the region. Now, looking ahead here at our future cast, we'll just be under clear conditions with a few little stray clouds to move in by Wednesday, but actually it's going to be very quiet. And again, most of the rain totals came toward the south part of the region. Looking at the Mississippi River level, it's 35.3, and it comes down to about 33.6. For the Yazoo, 25.2, and then it will come down to about 24.5. Your forecast, mostly clear skies. We have that threat of black ice, 27 degrees. And then tomorrow we'll have plenty of sunshine. The melt will be on 48 degrees. When we return at 6, we'll have your full forecast. And we're going to send everything over to Lakia.